Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. Happy New Year, happy 2025. Just going to make a sneak peek of my video. So this is the RX470 that I've kept for quite some time. I haven't been able to sell it off. So I thought, since I'm going to hometown where I built my father a home theater PC, I thought I could put this into the ITX PC box for that. And so let's see how it's gonna work. Hopefully this is still working. I haven't been able to test it, so I'm just going to bring it back to Sarawak and hope the magic happens, because that ITX PC has only features a iGPU, the Ryzen 3 3200G. So this is going to boost the performance quite a bit, as is a discrete GPU. And let's see how it's going to go, because I'm going to just play Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail. Alright, see you.